Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, we are going old school and I'm going to be sharing with you guys a makeup tutorial, and it's the makeup tutorial you see on my face right here. Everything that I've used in this video is under rupees 500, so it's pretty affordable as well. And if you can get it on discount, then grab all of these products because these have been my favorites for a while. I've been talking about them, I've been showing it to you as well. So I thought, you know what, let's put them all to use and show you how you can create a look like you see on my face. Now this is currently my go-to favorite glam look. It's so easy, it's so simple, and yet it looks so glamorous. I think this is perfect for anyone out there who's sort of lazy but still wants their makeup to look like they've put in so much effort and so much time. You can obviously switch up the color to whatever you prefer. I've done this with pink, with orange, with blue, so it's really easy to just make this look work for you and for your outfit as well. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know how I got this look and the products that I used for this look, you can obviously know the products by just looking at the description box and clicking out of this video, but that wouldn't be something that I would really like, you know. Please stay with me a little longer and watch the video. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with primer, I'm using Wet n Wild's Dewy primer. It's a very beautiful glowy primer. It also moisturizes your skin, and this one gives me very Smashboxy vibes almost. Moving on to foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Matte Plus Poreless foundation. It's a very easy to work with foundation, comes in a great shade variety and is affordable as well. I'm using a duo fiber brush and I'm first stippling the foundation on, and in circular motions I'm just going to ensure that I blend it in very nicely into my skin. As I said, it's easy to work with, so you don't really need a lot of work on it. For my concealer, I'm using PAC's Take Cover Concealer. I'm going to apply it on my inner and my outer corners. This just is a very natural way to apply concealer. My cupid's bow, chin, the center of my forehead and the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to apply it on my jawline right here just to enhance my cheekbones a little bit more. And I'm going to start blending it out with the help of a concentrated brush to retain most of my coverage in the spots that I want it to be in there. And I'm stippling my way down. I'm also going to stipple it around my eyes, and I'm first going to blend out the outer corner and then the inner corner, and with whatever's remaining I'm going to cover up my under eye as well so that we have a nice and even under eye. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and once I am done with both of my eyes I will move on to the jawline area. But for the jawline, I'm going to use the same foundation brush and blend all of that concealer out. And once I've blended my jawline out, I would take the same brush and ensure that my other concealer areas are also blended out and there are no stark demarcations. Using a darker shade on the same concealer, I'm going to start bronzing up my skin. So I'm literally just going to dot it on because this is pretty pigmented and you don't want to go overboard. So I'm just dotting on the areas that I would like to bronze up a little bit, and then using that same stippling brush I'm going to blend it out. And you can see this concealer is so easy to blend. It works so beautifully on the skin. I love how fluid it is, but yet so nice on the coverage as well. I'm blending out all of those areas, and with the more smaller brush I'm going to blend out my nose so that the nose bronzer is more concentrated and doesn't go everywhere. Using Rimmel's Stay Matte powder, this is the OG. If you've been there for a while you would know this powder. I'm going to set my under eyes into place, and then for my blush I'm using this PAC single blush and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, and I'm just going to concentrate on the highest points and push it back into my contour. For my highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's Illuminator. It's one of the best highlighters out there, not only in the budget category but overall. And I'm applying it on the tops of my cheekbones, and I'm going to take it back towards my brow as well just to get a nice overall glow going on. And once that is done, I'm going to highlight the other areas like the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. Moving on to eyes, I'm using Fashionbrow by Maybelline. I've talked about this so many times, I don't even think I need to give you an introduction. But this is such an easy brow product to work with, perfect for beginners as well. As you can see, I'm just feathering in the color. I'm not even working that hard. I'm just feathering the color in, and it really works very nicely. And once my brows are done, we can move on to the eye makeup. And for that, I'm using this PAC Single Shadow. Now, I've been loving doing single shadows on my top and lower lash line. So I'm first applying this shadow with the help of a shader brush on my top and lower lash line, and then taking a blending brush, I'm just going to diffuse it into my crease so that we have a nice ombre going on. Take your time with this step because this is the only important step, to be honest, in this whole process. I'm also blending out the lower lash line, and then taking this beautiful glitter, I'm just going to press it onto my lid. I'm keeping my powder brush under my eye to catch any fallout because our base is already done and you don't want to ruin it. So I'm just pressing this glitter on. This is such a beautiful glitter. I've been obsessed with these glitters. They just work so beautifully. And then I'm also giving my eye a quick little blend to ensure that everything is nice and seamless. Applying that same highlighter in my inner corners, and then we can move on to our mascara, which is by Colorbar. So I'm going to be applying it on my top and bottom lashes. I have used both the sides, the volumizing and the lengthening one. And once that is done, we're moving on to falsies. I'm using this PAC false lash glue with PAC lashes, and I'm just applying these lashes on and making sure they're nicely fixed on. And for the last step, we have our beautiful lipstick. This is Your Latte by Nykaa, and this is such a gorgeous color, you guys. And with that, we finished this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this glam, simple, easy, affordable look. And yes, that's going to be it from my side. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Also, let me know if you would like to see more makeup tutorials from my side. And if yes, then what would you like to see? Because I would love to know what you want to see. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.